What's up, fellas? So I probably should have been filming this before, but let me tell you, when you got to get the trailer into a tight spot, skid steer works really well. I used my truck to back it into here, and so I was perpendicular to the way it is now. Hooked it up to the skid steer and got it here. One thing, if you guys try to do this, I don't know if it is the same way on a tractor, but I have this 2-inch input for the tongue, or for the ball and hitch. I don't know what you call it, but whatever, you know what I mean. The distance here, for this is the hole, right, that you put the pin through. When the same hitch or same ball that I use on my truck, it doesn't, there's not enough distance so the back of it hits here. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to use something for that. So the whole reason for this is those are 16 footers. And this is the flooring for the house, southern yellow pine. The whole purpose is because they're 16 footers and I want to keep them as long as possible, I need to get them into the room, into the space up there. The only way to do that is through the windows. So I'm gonna get them up onto there, and then from there are windows on the back side right there, and I'm gonna feed them right through. So this should be fun.
Universally, 11 a.m. starts brunch everywhere. Happy Labor Day.
Although that was the easiest way to do it outside of renting a lull, man, I'm tired. Gonna go have a drink now. I'll see ya. Thanks for watching.